Paul with Ocean Cam here on August 25th, 2021, looking at the smaller GSE getting its first series of tests here. It's past 7 p.m. and I'm just shooting this as it happens. I'm located currently at SpaceX build site right next to the communications center, about 2 miles away down the road. To the right is Mexico. The Rio Grande is 2 miles to the right, and we're looking east. To the left is potentially a new restaurant that's going to open to the public here. It's currently private, and it's an awesome day here Wednesday evening. Wishing you a great days wherever life takes you. S Mamakos with Ocean Cam. Thanks for tuning in.